Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best, most reliable products on the market so you don't have to. If you suffer from allergies, live in a dusty area, or just want cleaner, fresher air inside your vehicle, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about the best allergy relief cabin air filter replacement on the market, the BOSCH 6091C HEPA cabin air filter. Let's start with what makes this filter stand out: HEPA. That means high efficiency particulate air. BOSCH didn't just slap that name on, they've designed and tested this filter to meet HEPA standards based on ISO 29463-3 to 2011. In simple terms, that means this filter catches 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Dust, pollen, mold spores, all trapped before they reach your lungs. It's a game changer for anyone with allergies or asthma, or for families with small children who want the cleanest ride possible. Now, let's talk construction. BOSCH didn't cut corners here. The 6091C uses a multi-layered design starting with a melt-blown electrostatic layer and a very dense media to trap particles more effectively. They even added a static cotton layer for increased capacity. It's built to last and maintain airflow while capturing a massive amount of airborne contaminants. But clean air isn't just about filtration, it's also about structure. BOSCH integrates structural ribs into the filter to prevent warping and collapsing over time. That means consistent performance throughout the filter's lifespan. It fits snugly and functions at peak efficiency until it's time for a replacement. Speaking of fit, let's clear that up. The 6091C is compatible with a wide range of vehicles from Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC. Whether you drive a 2024 Buick Encore GX, a Cadillac XT5, a Chevrolet Traverse, or even a GMC Sierra, this filter likely fits. BOSCH makes it easy with a vehicle fitment tool. Just plug in your make and model to verify. But be mindful, trim level can matter, so double check before ordering. The materials used also speak to BOSCH's commitment to quality. It's made of foam, spun-bound polyester, and synthetic melt-blown fibers, all of which work together to create a high-performance filter that doesn't rely on chemical odor neutralizers. That's right, no artificial scents or sprays here, just pure, clean air. Now let's talk maintenance. BOSCH recommends replacing your cabin air filter every 12 months or 12,000 miles. Doing so keeps your HVAC system running smoothly and ensures you're breathing the best air possible. It's an easy DIY project and well worth the peace of mind, especially at a price point that's incredibly reasonable. To wrap up, the BOSCH 6091C HEPA cabin air filter is more than just a filter. It's a statement that your health and comfort matter, and that your vehicle deserves the same level of care you give your home. For clean, reliable, chemical-free air filtration, BOSCH delivers in a big way. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this helped you decide, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, detailed product breakdowns. Stay safe, breathe easy, and we'll see you in the next review.